Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like if people can't hear you on your iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to turn off the Bluetooth connection from your iPhone. So for that, you'll have to open the settings. Alright, so now from the settings, you'll have to tap on the Bluetooth option. Okay, so from here, you'll have to turn off the Bluetooth from here. Alright, so after you done this, you'll have to just back from there and now you have to reset the network settings. So for that, you'll have to open the general. Okay, so from the general section, you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and go the option transfer or reset iPhone. Okay, so from here, tap on reset. And now from here you can easily go with the option reset network settings. So after you done this, you'll be able to fix that problem. So if you are still facing that problem, you'll have to just back from there and again from the general section at the bottom you'll have to go the option shutdown. So simply you'll have to tap on that, and now after you tap on that, from there you will be surely fix that problem. So if you are still facing that problem, you'll have to force restart your iPhone. So for that, from iPhone 8 to latest or 16, you'll have to press and hold the side button, and now from there you'll have to press and quickly release the volume up button, and from there you'll have to again press and quickly release the volume down button. So on the other hand, for the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, you'll have to press and hold the side button, and now from there press and hold the volume down buttons. So for the 6 and 6 Plus, you'll have to press and hold the side button, and from there you'll have to press and hold the home button. So this is the method to force restart your iPhone. So after you done this, you'll be able to fix that problem. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.